How you doing today on this nice Thursday morning? We have our buddy gold here, which is all the hype lately. And we were talking about a short last week from 2700 area. And then yesterday we were talking about how it looks like it could pull up a little bit here and possibly punish all those people that were shorting early. And here we are, 24 hours later, 24 candles later, and look what happened. That is hilarious. Just bounced off 2708 and just went right up for 20 candles straight, punishing everybody who was shorting those red candles during yesterday's open. During yesterday's Brink session and early New York session, price was dropping from that 2750 area, and everybody's just shorting. And then what happened during Asia? So this is what happened yesterday. Brinks in New York session. Everybody's shorting all these red candles. And they kept all their positions open because they think they caught the top on gold. But how many of them accounted for a pullback? Asia last night pulled it all the way up. Probably 60% of the way back up. You know people had their stops up in here. Price is not going to go up there if there's no money to be had. And now it seems, it's about an hour after the New York Open right now. Now it seems that they might have already taken enough money. So they've knocked out who they wanted to knock out. And it could be a lower low. You know, basic market structure. You have a high and a low. And if this is going to be your lower high, then you would expect a lower low, okay, over here. So right now, the way I'm looking at gold is, I'm looking for it to take that and then possibly take a long scalp up. But I'm not touching a long scalp opportunity on gold until at least somebody gets hurt, which would be these people over here. So that's enough about that. That's what we've been looking at gold. But I mean, on the daily, you look at gold on the daily, I mean, come on now. Look at that. It can go higher, but it's just a thing of beauty to see that 2700 play out we were talking about. It's like that weird intuition, you know. You can just kind of tell, like 26, whatever it was, 2660. It's like, nah. Price was just giving all the signs that it wanted the 2700s. And it gave it to us this week. It's been a thing of beauty. Moving on, I wanted to look at ALCOA. Oh, this is something that you can get pumped about. I haven't talked about ALCOA in probably 3 weeks. But right here, when we were talking about it, you can go back on the video. If you think I'm full of it, I don't have to lie. It doesn't matter to me. I'm wrong all the time. But when I'm right, it's beautiful. We were talking about ALCOA down here in $32, $33. And now it has just been up and up and up. What a gorgeous buy. That's already 25%. And we're holding the level. This is looking good. I'm looking to offload ALCOA 65 and 75. Majority of it at 65. I mean, we bought it at 33 average price, so 65, that's almost double our money, okay? You can't get that leaving your money in the bank, you know? You can't get a 100% return leaving your money in the bank. You can lose it just as quickly too, but I'm just saying, this is why I'm in the markets, because the markets are like one of the few opportunities for me to gain financial freedom. It's that simple. It really is. At least that's just how I am as a person. So looking at ALCOA, that is absolutely gorgeous. Let's see if we can get another beauty. Oh, this would be gorgeous. Where is our baby? Where'd she go? There it is, 5 below on the daily. Okay, 5 below. Still looking great from our 65 level, 70. We're at 90 now. We've been sitting here for about 4 weeks. So this is where like the patience game comes in. Okay, we had a great buy on 5 below. We've been buying it down here, 65 and 70. So we're already up in the money. Okay, we project 150, 160, 170, all around there as our offload point. But this is where trading can be difficult because it's the patience thing. Price has been going sideways for 5 weeks. It's just been sitting between $88 and $92 for 5 weeks. So that's 5 weeks of you're just holding on to a stock and it's not doing anything. It's not making you money. It's just sitting there. If you're that concerned with that kind of getting money like that, perhaps dividends would be of more interest to you, because you know every quarter or every yearly you're going to get a dividend. Okay? You're going to get something. They're going to kick you back a little something for holding on to it. But on trading, this is part of the game. If you have a plan, you have to hold on to it. It doesn't matter to us. 5 months, 6 months, a year. When it gets up to our level, we sell. Until then, we hold. It hasn't proved us wrong yet. I'm holding on to 5 below. So long as it stays above 60, I'm in. 5 below is a beautiful trade in my opinion. I don't care about the company at this point. Companies can fudge their numbers. You can only go off what you see online, but you know, as far as what the chart's saying that it wants some more. And it has nothing but a little room to go up to kind of equal the playing field, you know. Because you think about it, I mean, it went 6 months of pretty much just going straight down. So you tend to expect a pullback. You know, it's got to take a break, you know. It's not bankrupt. So that would generally say to me that, okay, price just needs to take a break. So gold behaving as expected. 5 below, a little bit sideways. But I love everybody, and I will talk to everybody on the next one. Peace.